Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hey everybody, it's Katrina. So, I managed to get one bag down from there. I still got a couple of boxes I need to get down, but I did want to share some of the items I have. And these are all from last year that are just in my stash, y'all. Then I'm going to tell you something funny. You're going to love it. Anyway, this was one of the Magic Water books that came from Temu. All right, and these are just really, really cool books because the kids can use this pen that comes with it and color in it. All right, and then they can wipe it off and start over. The pen is just simply a water pen. And when they color on that, it comes out the colors. As you can see, some of the colors in there that it's supposed to be. So I had gotten a bunch of these for little boys and for little girls, which I'll be putting these into some baskets for the kiddos. Found some more Paw Patrol, which is not real sure how many Paw Patrol baskets I'll be making, but y'all know that big, long toy trunk I had last year for Christmas that sat on the side of the road? Well, that never did sell. I still have that. It's up there in the loft. So when I pull that down, I will have to break up that Paw Patrol stuff because there's a lot of Paw Patrol stuff in there. And I will make several probably medium-sized to large-sized baskets with those and do something else with that trunk. But I did find more Paw Patrol, which is good, so that I'll have that. And this is the little boys' water book that came with the little girls' water books from Temu. Alright, same thing. It's just a water book. This one is for the little boys. Coloring pages, water pen. So I'll be putting that into something. We got some Paw Patrol coloring books. Let me get the tape off of it. Or not, let's just cut that down. Alright, so we have our Paw Patrol coloring book. We have another My Little Pony coloring book. And that's awesome because for My Little Pony, I do have this set. So I will put those together for the My Little Pony concept. Okay, this one's for you, sweetheart. PJ Mask. Another PJ Mask puzzle. So that's two of those that I have found so far. Alright, and then we have these little sticky catch sets. Alright, and I have this one. These last year when I made Easter baskets, I paired these with a lot of my Spider-Man stuff just because of the colors. But it is just a little play set for the kids that I will be putting into some baskets. And I have several of those. And then if you remember, I talked about the skip bow. Well, here's a skip bow. Alright, and these light up. So these will also go into some of the younger kids' baskets. Alright, but you put your ankle through there and you go around. It goes around in a circle and you jump over it with your other foot. Spin it around with one foot and jump over it with the other. Alright, and then here's another one of the scratch activity sets. Alright, this one is superheroes. If you remember, I had a lot of the Easter ones as well. And I still have more of these. So these will also be going into some more of the small concepts. And because I keep finding a lot of stuff like this is the reason I ordered a whole lot of small baskets. Because these will definitely go well with me going into the lower income areas to sell baskets this year. Alright, and then I had these little eggs. These are just the little bunny rabbit eggs. And I know there's more up there. There was 2 in this bag. No candies in them or anything, so I will use those as well. So, what was the funny part about this? Let me just tell you. Guess what I found? More sidewalk chalk. Alright, so I have more sidewalk chalk, which I will wrap these and they will go in some baskets too, y'all. Like I said, I know I got more up there, but that bag I was able to get down because it was sitting right here. I'm going to go over here in this corner in a little while and see if I can pull some more stuff down from there. In the meantime, I finished up some baskets, some teen concepts, and some older preteen kids. You know, and of course y'all have seen the younger kids baskets already. This is one that I did today. We have our little plushie in there that sings with our little bunny here as well. This one has the 2 eggs in it. Fruit snacks. And this is one of the high bath bomb concepts. This is Flash. So this is, I themed this for a little boy. And we have our Rice Krispie treat, fun dip, lollipop, and our little rabbit has jelly beans in it. So that's this one. And I did another one like this. It is the yellow one, which I'm showing you these two because I didn't do a separate video on them. So this is the one that I did with the duck. The duck sings. He's got the 2 eggs. All the candy is the same. And this one has Tweety Bird bath bomb on the back. Alright, so this is real cute. And as you can see, we stayed with the theme. We got the duck here. We got our little duck jelly bean candy dispenser here. And our Tweety Bird on the back. That's also yellow. Did a yellow and an orange egg. And put this in the yellow bucket. Alright, and then the high bath bomb is in a pink box. So that is why I did a pink ribbon. Or a pink mesh bow on here. So that is what this one is looking like. So these are one and done. I will be taking these in the house because I am storing my baskets in my old craft room in my downstairs because we're bubbling over in here, literally. But it's okay because I see the light. We are dwindling down as far as moving this stuff and getting it in to concepts and getting it where it can be stacked and stored until time to go. I think this may be one of the only times, I ain't gonna say one of the only time, but one of the few times that I will have to get a U-Haul for local for local sales, simply because I will have that much, I hope to have that many baskets and that much equipment. So we'll see. Y'all just stay tuned to the Crafty Corner and see what's going on, and we will see. But right now I'm thinking I'm going ahead and reserving a U-Haul for the beginning of my, well, probably I don't know. I have to look at the dates and stuff because I don't know that I want to do it at the start of my sales because I probably won't take all the baskets with me on the day 1 sales and day 2 sales. But the following weekend and those two weekends after that, I may need the U-Haul to get everything out there. We'll see. We'll just see how it goes. All right. And then I've been, these water bottles, I picked these up. And they were 90% off when I picked these up. Anyway, I had gotten a whole bunch of these at the Family Dollar that was closing here, that closed in my town last year. All right, and I've been putting the transfers on there. All right, And they go on here very well. They're real cute. This one says the best is yet to come. And that's just how you dress up these nice little water bottles. All right, make them real cute. All right, and then I did a couple of more of my Libby glasses today, because these will be going into my Mother's Day baskets. And these are just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I love these cups. That one is beautiful. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here and share that with you all, and some of the other things that I found. I found all my keychains, which were some look like this, like this. I got all of these keychains on sale at the gift shop at my job. And they originally they are like $3.99. And I paid like 35 cents for each of them. And I got a whole bunch of them. So they're all in a bag over there. So these are just some of the things that I do pick up sometimes from other than places, as far as places we get to shop at. I do go in my gift shop often to see what they have on sale. I paid 35 cents for each one of those. And that was payroll deducted, so it didn't come out of my pocket immediately. So I was able to pick those up, and I probably have made that money back in sales using those, and still have a bunch of them left. And that money hasn't even come out of my check yet. That hasn't even been, they haven't even really been paid for yet, other than me being paid for them. So anyway, that's always a good deal for me. I don't go overboard in the gift shop, because that stuff be high. $3.99. Y'all know I would never pay $3.99 for this. But I will pay 35 cents for it. Stick it in a basket. I'm learning a lot watching Never in a Million. And I'm starting to get that same attitude. If it's more than 90%, I don't want to buy it. Now, every now and then I do have to get some inventory at 75%, simply because my area is, the items are not slim picking until they become 75 to 90% off. But the stores are. My stores are slim picking. So sometimes when I come across things, I go ahead and get them, so that I have the items that I need to make the baskets that I want to make, so that I can put those concepts out there and get them sold. And another thing that I do with these bottles, y'all, that I've started doing with the thermal printer, is I put the care instructions, very generic, on here to hand wash, air dry. And I put them on the cards that I stick inside these bottles. And that's so that they have that. And the other thing that I am doing, and I left these stickers in the house, which is okay because the baskets are in the house. I have put all of the candy. I've listed all my candy and all of the chips and Cheez-Its and cotton candy and drinks, which I haven't started with drinks yet, but that's coming too. I have 2 great big boxes of drinks. But I've listed all of those items that are in my baskets. And what I did was put all of the candy and all of the items all on one sticker. And it just simply says that your basket will have some of these items listed below. And that way I cover all the items, and I don't have to pick this basket and go, okay, this basket has this candy in it. This basket has, no, this is all the candy I'm giving out this year. This is what I have, and this is what your basket might have in it. All right, so they can check it off the list and make things a little bit easier. But that just gives the parents a rundown of the types of candy and snacks, Rice Krispie treats, the Cheez-Its, all of that I'm using in these baskets. So, you know, just a little tip. If you do get you a thermal printer, that's another way that you can use it. But anyway, I just wanted to pop on here and share that with you all today. You all, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.